think it's the future because it's a cost-effective way of cleaning and sanitising in the environment that we're in, which is hospitality, and the impact on the environment is crucial. Prior to using eWater, we have in different venues across the property we have a build-up of chemical, and that build-up is really hard to remove. With eWater, we don't have a build-up. What you see is wiped away or flushed away, and it takes the scum and residue and dirt with it. Yeah. So we're not using more and more product to try and reduce the build-up, and at the same time we're not having overpowering scent. Where the staff aren't complaining of skin irritations. Yeah. I have a team of 15 staff on the housekeeping team at Stones of the Yarra Valley, and the staff are excited. They use it every day, from the floors to the toilets to the walls to the ceilings. They take it home and use it because they love it so much. They clean their car with it while they're on their lunch break. But they love it because it's easy to use, it's simple, it's not rocket science, and the fact that they're helping the environment, I think, is the clincher. Yeah. From a safety perspective, there's no risk at all using eWater because there's no chemicals involved. It's salt and water. So my staff have complemented the system because they no longer feel they're asthmatic from the fumes of other products that we were using, or coughing, or having eczema or skin irritations. And you can also wash your hands with it. So we're doing that at the end of our shift. We've deleted all the soaps, and we wash our hands at the end, and we're 100% eWater.